Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies. In this quick video, I'm going to give you the torque specifications for the rear brakes on a 2007 to 2011 Honda CR-V. Now your caliper bracket to knuckle bolts, these are going to be tightened down to 80 foot-pounds. That's pretty tight. You might use a 1/2-inch torque wrench to tighten these ones down. Now the caliper to bracket bolts, these are not too tight. You're only going to tighten these down to 18 foot-pounds. A 3/8 torque wrench, or if you have a digital torque wrench, it'll work for both of these. Now last, really important, make sure that the wheel is tightened down properly in a star pattern, and you're going to tighten the lug nuts up to 80 foot-pounds. If you need brake torque specs on a different vehicle, comment below, shoot me a text, ask away, I'll help you and get those. I get my torque specifications from the Motor Guide book. This is 96 to 2021, but I do have a few other books ranging from multiple years. Hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, comment below with the year, make, and model of a vehicle that it did. I'll see you guys in the next hopefully helpful video. Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies.